Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You need an active Windows 10 session and keyboard access. Once ready, press Windows plus Tab to open Task View. You'll see Current Windows and a New Desktop button at the top left. Click it to create Desktop 2 immediately. Make sure Task View shows a thumbnail for each desktop so you know creation succeeded. If you prefer keyboard only, use Windows plus Control plus D to add a desktop faster. Once done, you can switch between thumbnails to begin organizing apps across desktops by work type or task. Now you'll move apps to organize tasks. Open Task View again and drag any window from your current desktop onto the thumbnail for Desktop 2. That relocates it instantly. You can also right-click a window in Task View, choose Move To, and select the target desktop for precision. For fast navigation, use Windows plus Control plus Left or Windows plus Control plus Right to flip between desktops without opening Task View. This keeps focus isolated. Work apps on one desktop, communication apps on another, so you reduce clutter and mental switching costs. Finish by closing any extra desktops you no longer need. Open Task View and click the X on the desktop thumbnail, or press Windows plus Control plus F4 while on that desktop. Open apps will move to the previous desktop automatically. If switching or creation hotkeys don't work, make sure your keyboard layout is correct and sticky keys isn't interfering. Reboot if shortcuts remain unresponsive. Finally, make a habit of naming or arranging desktops mentally so you recreate the same workflow next time with minimal friction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.